You see lots of videos discuss how to decide what gear a new rider should buy, but the choices are still massive, and from what I see, everyone still ends up buying on looks or whatever's available at the local dealer. Not today. I'm just going to tell you straight out how to buy some specific quality gear at a great price, and you will be confident you're going to be all set to start your motorcycle journey. Your road gear is going to cost you right around $500. Frankly, if you can't afford your safety gear, then you should wait to ride until you can. You can find links to buy this gear in the video description. However, buy wherever you like. If you want to end watching right now and just go buy and not listen to why, I just ask that you like and subscribe to the channel on your way out. As you can see, you're going to need a helmet, jacket, gloves, and boots. That's it. You maybe can add riding jeans or pants at a later date, but it's not necessary for your first gear. Let's start with helmets. I'm a huge fan of the Scorpion brand. It's the Samsung of helmets. The right balance of value and quality. Buy the Scorpion EXO T520. It's currently $205. It comes in a huge range of colors and graphics that you're sure to find one that you like. It's a full face helmet, so it will also work for a track day or even as an introduction race helmet. Good looks, excellent air vents, and a drop-down sun visor. Nothing more you need for your first helmet. And yes, I said no choices, but if you do intend to ride off-road, I want to include the Scorpion AT960. It's slightly more at $275, but apart from the needed additional removable peak and the modular chin, it's a similar helmet and it will serve you well if you go off-road. You can always layer, so better to be cooler than hotter. This is the Built Techno 2 mesh jacket. You can find this for $120 in several colors, and also great news, in sizes up to 5XL for your bigger riders. Lots of pockets, including inside here. Got glove pockets at the back, lots of air vents as well, and all the padding that you need to be safe. It's an excellent choice for your first jacket. I've ridden this jacket in 55 degrees in the Utah mountains and 110 degrees in Texas and Florida, and been very comfortable. If you ride colder than that or ride in the cold for a long period of time, you can add a motorcycle jacket or wear a hoodie underneath. That block a lot of the air that comes through the jacket, and you'll be plenty warm. So unless you're riding in snow, this is really all the jacket you will need. For a women's cut, the Joe Rocket Clio or Clio Elite is the right choice for around $180. There's some really nice color choices with all the same features as the Built, and it just looks very, very pretty when you're riding down the road. From your gloves you want three things: great feel, knuckle protection, and palm sliders, where if you come off your bike you'll slide across versus ripping your palm open. The ILM 10CLs provide all three at a price point of $37 and come in three colors. Big fan of these alloy steel knuckle protection, which you don't get often, and it even includes touchscreen material in the pointer fingers for using your mobile phone. Make sure you get the CL model, which has steel on all the protective knuckles, versus the C model, which does not. When it comes to shoes, don't ride in sneakers and high tops, and avoid normal boots. You're going to want to wear specific motorcycle boots. For those sticking to the roads, these Street and Steel Kickstarter riding shoes are plenty at $120. And for women's, there's the Speed and Strength Mad Dash, which are only $100. Great to ride in, comfortable for walking around when you're off the bike, and no one will even know that you're wearing motorcycle bike shoes. If you're going track or just want a little more protection, then you can't beat the Alpine Stars SMX-S, which are available for both men's and women for right around $250. They are stiffer, they take some break in, but you can't beat the protection. Be warned, they are no fun to walk any distance in. For off-roaders, I highly recommend the Fox Racing comp boots, again between $200 and $250 depending on color, but they're your boot of choice. I prefer to get the extra shin protection over adventure and track boots off-road, and these are just great value. So that's it. $500 and you're in gear that's going to serve you on the road for at least the first couple of years of riding, probably longer. Like and subscribe to the channel, and links to all the gear mentioned today is in the video description. I'm off riding.